Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase your phone's battery life by activating power saving mode on your iPhone. But this process won't increase your battery health. So let's begin the process by tapping on the settings on your iPhone and search for the battery option or battery settings and tap on that. And here you can see your battery health, your iPhone uses, and which apps use the battery most. To increase the battery time of your iPhone, you have to turn on the low power mode. While the low power mode is on, the software automatically reduces the background activity of the apps. So you just have to tap on the switch next to the low power mode to turn it on and turn it off. So this is all. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for other useful contents.